Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how can we convert our PDF file into Excel file by using different methods. And if you are unsure about it, just stick around with the video and you'll be able to learn the method quickly. Let's dive in. The first method is online method. If I want to convert my PDF file into Excel file, so what I will search I love PDF. So press enter. The first site, click on this one. I love PDF, online PDF tools. So if I click this one, it has multiple options. All you need to do, go to the right option. By the way, it's 100% free. You can freely convert your files. And I need to do PDF to Excel. I click this one and it's saying me select PDF file. I'll click this one and I'll go to the file location. My file location is here, ESV70. If I press open, now it has selected my file and now it has two options. No OCR option means it will convert the text into editable Excel file. Second one is if your file contains some scanned images, it can also convert those images into Excel as well. However, you need to be a paid member of this website to avail this tool. I just need to convert my text, so I will press convert to Excel and it will convert your file in a matter of few seconds. All you need to do, download Excel or it will download it already. If I click this one, it will open the Excel file. Now it's up uploading the file. So if I click enable editing, now you can see it is showing two tabs, table 1, table 2. If I click on table 2, so it will show me the table which was the part of PDF file. If I just show you the PDF file and if I go to the location, so this was the file. If I open this one, so you can see, so this was the table which I converted into Excel. So it converted into two tabs, revenue analysis separate tab and table is separate tab. Let's jump into the second method. Let's take the example of the same file ESV70. If I want to convert this into Excel, so the other method is if I right click on it and it's showing me open with. If I go to open with, choose another app and now I will choose Word document. If it doesn't show, all you need to do browse apps in the Microsoft Store so it will come up and I will just say just once and it will start opening this file. It will show this message, press OK, and now it will convert your PDF file into Word file. Now all you need to do, select this one, select on this table on this plus button, press Ctrl C, go to the any open Excel or blank file, press right click on it and then you'll say keep source formatting. If I click this one, it will keep the source formatting. And what was the other thing? Other thing was just the revenue analysis. Control C, open the file, Excel file, and yeah, then you can make the settings. So you can merge the cells, and in this method, you can convert the PDF file into Excel file. All you need to do first convert it into Word and then Excel file. There were the two methods to convert the PDF file into Excel file. Hit the like button if you like this video and let me know if this video is helpful.